Hi guys, I am Pankaj Kishore Verma, a BTech final year student in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Madan Mohan Malvi Engineering College, Gorakhpur. This is my final year project. It is an RTC interface microcontroller for multiple device control, which can control devices with the help of a Philips TV remote. The devices can be programmed to switch on and off at desired times or instantly. Now I am showing to you a demo of my project, which will elaborate its working. It can control the switching operation of 24 electrically operated devices. 2 of them have been interfaced here at device number 4 and 14. If you want to switch on them instantly, you have to press their corresponding key number. Suppose this is device number 4. I am pressing to switch it off. Now it has been off and it is again on. Similarly for 14. Similarly, rest of the devices can be switched on and off by pressing corresponding key numbers. For 10 plus key you have to keep this one, and for 20 plus you have to press SFX key, this one. The device also has a built-in 100 years clock cum calendar. If you want to change the real time, you have to press this timer key. The system asks for the password. You have to enter 4-digit passwords. Now you have to enter corresponding time in 24-hour mode. Now the time has been set. Next comes the device programming. Now I am going to program device number 4 to switch off after 1 minute, that is 11:38. You have to press PP key for that. Device number 0, 4, status of 0. Note that I have entered month 00 and date also 00. This will make it switch off per day at 11:38. And if you enter some values for date and month, then the device will switch off or on at that particular day and that particular time. Now it has been switched off automatically. The greatest smartness of this system is this real-time clock, Dallas DS12C887, which has a built-in lithium battery and has a 100 years calendar. It can keep the stored data remain intact and the real-time running for over 10 years, even in complete absence of the power supply. This is the greatest advantage of this system. If you want to change the password, you have to press this power key. The system asks you for the earlier password, which is 1111. Now enter your new password, say 5555. Now the password has been changed. This is an arrangement to interface electrical devices with the electronic circuit. It consists of 24 sugar cube relays and 2 transformers for power supply. Okay guys, it's time to say bye now. Meet you with the next project next time. Have a nice time. Bye.